So welcome back, and let's put these on main content. So you can use this in your application. So let's take this input field here and let's use it in your main content here. Actually, let me go this in top header here. Let's change padding is 10 already. Yeah, we don't have to change nothing here. So let's set this and let's start using our input texture. So let's go. So here, let's get rid of this and we basically call our build input field, and here we have to, let me see, here we have to populate these values here. So in the value stage here, we can create a variable here and use this stage. Something like val total stage, something like this. Remember, table stage off, and I am string here. So let's import this, and we should be fine. We can create a variable to validate here, so you can hide or not your keyboard. So let's create a new variable here. So validate stage. Remember the total speech with value here. Let me change this like this, and here we can just do this. So total build stage point value. So we getting the value that we using here. We taking everything extra here like a space, and we seeing if it's not empty. So if not empty, this is news will return a valid stage, so a true. So this should be enough for us right now, and let's hope. So the value stage here, you get our total build stage like this. We can pass the modifier here. We want this to filmmax width, like this one here. We also have to pass the label here. Let's enter view is enabled like true, single line true, and on action you actually want these keyboard actions here, and we can just say if it's the valid state is false, you can just return and do nothing. So it will not hide our keyboard. Otherwise, we can just make, let's left to do here for us later. So here we on value change value on value change like this. We take care of this in a minute. So I think we can make it using a separate video. So right now we just make let's create a keyboard controller here, a variable like this one is reading for us like this. So we can create here a val keyboard controller. We say local software keyboard controller dot current like this. So you're taking our keyboards and we are hiding here. So don't forget this value here, because if you just paste the state like this, it will not work. So take the value, so the value that the user are typing, and let's just call this or your main activity and see. Let's pass this inner padding here too, like this. So modifier inner padding. So here you can just create a parameter modifier here in the main content and modifier like this. Okay, this should be working fine. So let's run this and see if you can see. our main content, we should be able just to see exactly what we're seeing here, and our action should be fine. So I forget to use this modifier here, so you can just pass this for the surface like this, and should be respecting this one here. Okay, that's fine. So let's click here, put some values, and when you click enter or click action, should hide like this, and like this too. Okay, if you just put some spaces here, it should not done. Okay, it's working. So this was a quick one. So I see you in the next video. I hope so. See you. Thank you.